how to handle employee who went AWOL due to mental health problem.
So, can you elaborate further on your question? Ano po ba ang situation that you are bringing to us?
Actually, kasi si employee, he went AWOL effective May 2. Then, no notification, no advice. And then, after 10 days, bigla siya nagsabi na babalik siya sa work. Then, we issue NTE because for 10 days unauthorized leave of absence. And then, ang reason niya, depression. So, medyo natulala kami doon. Kasi, how do we handle that kind of situation, attorney?
Okay, great question, Sir Gerald. And by the way, disclaimer, I am not a psychiatrist. I am not a psychologist. I am not competent about the mental diseases or mental illness or mental condition. I'm a lawyer, no, and I'm speaking from a legal point of view, no. So disclaimer po yan sa lahat, no. I do not claim to be an expert in this particular illness, disease, or condition. Okay, so ano po ang legal framework natin? We should approach mental illness like how we approach other forms of disease or illness. Ibig sabihin, walang derogatory, no? We should not discriminate. Mental condition is not a joke, no? It's an illness, it's a condition, no? Much like kung ang isang tao nagka-influenza, nagka-flu, or nagka-COVID-19 illness, no? So we have to approach. If you have a sickness policy or an illness policy, that's what you have to apply, no? You have to consider that the employee is sick, and however you handle sick employee should be the same way you handle a person with a mental condition. So, of course, i-assess natin, no? I-determine natin kung totoo ba. And of course, since hindi naman tayo expert, we send the employee to an expert, to a doctor, to a clinic, or to a hospital, no? And we get the certificate from the expert, no? From the physician or the psychologist, psychiatrist who is competent to diagnose the employee. So, ganun lang po yun, no? So, do sa mga company na may HMO, no? Health Maintenance Organization Program, you should think about adding it, no? Including it in the services that the HMO provides, no? Kasi uso po yan talaga. And then there is already a recognition that this is really a real problem, no? Especially nung nag-lockdown tayo, alam naman natin nung pandemic, ang daming naapektuhan. Actually, pati ako, no? Nagkaroon ako ng insomnia, nagkaroon ako ng mga, hindi naman depression, no? But parang anxiety, no? Everyone, no, is affected, no? Even though on-site na ang mga karamihan ng mga work natin, no? It should not stop the way we support each other during the lockdowns. Dapat po tuloy-tuloy yan. And that is the main message of the Department Order 208 issued by DOLE. No? So may requirement dyan. It is a requirement. It is mandatory for all companies, for all establishments, for all employers to incorporate a mental health policy in all their company policies, no? Now, kung wala po kayong mental health policy, then you can use whatever policy you have for sickness. Kasi nga, it should be treated like any other illness or disease. No? So if you already have your sick leave policy or sick leave benefit, then a person who is undergoing such a mental health condition, and if he can submit a medical certificate saying that he needs rest, he needs a break, he needs to not to report for work, to recover, or to attend therapy, then we have to respect that. No, the same way that we respect the medical certificate kung ang isang employee ay nagkatrangkaso or nagka-COVID, di ba? Ganun lang po ang treatment natin. Di ba? So, Sir Gerald, do you have a follow-up question?
Attorney, what if the employee refuses to